As you step into nature's embrace, a tranquil aura envelops you, soothing away the stresses of modern life. The symphony of chirping birds, rustling leaves, and babbling streams orchestrates a melody of calmness, inviting you to unwind. Amidst the verdant landscape, each breath fills your lungs with fresh, crisp air, rejuvenating your spirit. The gentle sway of trees whispers tales of serenity, while the warmth of sunlight bathes your skin, infusing you with a sense of peace. In nature's sanctuary, time slows down, allowing you to savor the present moment and find solace in its embrace. Here, amidst the beauty of the wilderness, worries dissipate and tranquility reigns supreme.